Home with Power BI, I'm Zahir Ibrahim for Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to use the count and distinct count. Now we start off by using this by creating a formula using the DAX function. Now I'm going to show you a couple of scenarios of the way it works and how it's going to be useful in your reports and dashboards. So let's go take a look. Let's go. So the difference between count and distinct count, I'm going to show you by using a couple of examples of what I mean. So we're going to get straight into it. So what I'm going to do is just have a look at the items, and I'm going to go into the buyers. So what I'm going to do is create a measure using the count and then put it in a card visual to see the number and see the difference between count and distinct count. Okay, so first what I want to do is create a new measure. Okay, and then I'm gonna say, okay, use the hash, and I've got number of buyers equal, and I'm gonna use a count, item, and buyer. Okay, so I've created that, and now what I'm gonna do is put in a visualization. 364. So it's telling me there's 364,000 buyers. Right? Now, to check that to see if that's correct, the number of people who have bought an item and that kind of thing, we can use another function that is called Countrows. There's another way, so we can count the rows to see if that's how many rows are in there, and that's how many are actually the number of buyers. So what we're going to do is go on here and create another one. So we're just going to put hashtag. I'm going to put C rows of buyers, and then we're going to go count rows, and then we're going to go item. So this is going to be obviously on the table. Select that, and then I am going to bring that into this similar visualization. 364,000. So you kind of understand that the number of rows is probably the same amount of number of buyers. Okay, so I'm going to show you a way as well once we've done the distinct count to see if there are any rows with blanks in it. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is the distinct count. So we're going to create a new measure, and we're going to see the difference now. So we're going to put distinct count of buyers, right? And then we're going to put distinct, and then we're going to go to the item buyer. Create that, and then we're going to put that in a visualization again. 78. Okay, so you see that's a big difference. So we're saying there's 364,000 buyers. However, the distinct buyers is only 78. So 78 buyers have bought over 364,000 items just between them. So you kind of like see how that works now and what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is, well, just to check, just to see, right, okay, if there are any rows that have no blanks in it. So it's just another measure just to see that. So we're going to hopefully come for the same number. So what we're going to do here now is no blank rows of buyers, and we're going to put distinct count, no blank. Okay, put the item buyer, that in. So this will now tell us if there are any blank rows or not. So we will put visualization 78. So that's good. So we've done the distinct count and found out 78. And so we thought, you know what, let's try if there is anyone's way without no blank rows. And there isn't. Okay, because that number would have changed. Alright. So that's the difference between count and distinct count. So just to show you again, we're going to do this again on, let's just say, the family name. Okay, so what we're going to do now is new measure. I'm going to say family name, count, family name, for visualization, 364. So you can see it's counted all the ones that are in the rows and found out that there's 364,000 family names in there. But like I say, there's going to be duplicates, whether it's going to be the number of customers are the same or some customers have same surname but different. So what we're going to do is do a distinct count again. Okay, and then we're going to go distinct count, family name, and I'm going to put that into the card. 204. So you see, this is what I'm talking about. So we found out that there is 78 different sort of buyers, but at the same time there's 204 different family names in there. So a lot of them, like I say, there'll be 5, 6 Smiths, 10 Stevens or that kind of thing. So this gives you sort of insight information and how many and different variations of what you can do and how you can use these functions to get the necessary information out of your data. So that's the difference. If you've got any questions, please get in contact or leave comments below. And if you need to get in contact with me, my details are on the About page. Again, guys, thanks for watching. At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.